drawing some pace and generating it with a full of action by Nitish, making the scenario very, very tough for club. Another one. Such an outstanding over. A maiden over comes to an end from Nitish Balan. First maiden of the tournament by Nitish. What an exceptional bowling skill. A quality bowler from Kasaragod. Nitish Kadapuram. Perfectly done and does the over number 2. Here comes another bowling supremacy in tennis ball cricket, Muthu Angola. By City FC, the fielder.
Very well stopped by CDFC. What a save! What a fantastic save that one. A sure a six save by straight down the ground and straight to the field. The long fielder comes and gives it back. Takes a single. Typical Muthu Angola with that beauty of a delivery and beats Saipu Gazam. Edge and gone pass. This is superb bowling from Muthu. Lovely exhibition of pace that showcasing by Muthu Angola. Is a star bowler. Another one. Brilliant over from Muthu Angola. This is turning out to be 4 dot balls and 1 single. Here comes the last one. This is another one. Magnificent over comes to an end from Muthu Angola. Just one came from the over. Previous one was a maiden from Nitish. And this time a single run over from Muthu Angola. Tightening everything. And a possible chance to move to the next stage for Najaf, that creating by the bowlers. രണ്ട് റൺസുകൾ 3 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ Samir Punjiri goes high in the sky. Oh, 6 runs. All the way for 6 runs. സമീർ പുഞ്ചിരി അടിച്ച കഴിഞ്ഞ ഓവറിൽ ഉറച്ച ഒരു സിക്സർ സിദ്ധി എഫ് സി തട്ടിയിട്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇത്തവണ സിദ്ധി എഫ് സിയുടെ പന്തിൽ തന്നെ കണക്ക് വിട്ടുന്നു സമീർ പുഞ്ചിരി. മറ്റൊരെണ്ണം ട്രൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇത്തവണ നിതീഷ് ബാലന്റെ കൈകളിൽ പുഞ്ചിരിച്ച is going back and Nidish Balan is just wow! Kidlowski from Saipu Gazam. What a shot of authority that was from Saipu Gazam. Tremendous quality of a shot. Goes out of the ground. Clears the longest part. A little different in length by Siddhi FC on this occasion. Back with a beauty. White ball away from the gate line by Siddhi FC. Oh, he's done well perfectly in the channel and beats a batter Saipu Gazam. End of the over number 4. It is 16 for 2. 16-2. 4 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. ആഷിഖ് പ്ലേ സ്റ്റോർ is getting ready to bowl the last over. First ball single. 17. Again Saipu Gazam is a quality batter. An absolutely well finish over the mid wicket fence with that absolute good connection. Strong batting action. Deeply standing on the back foot and giving the punch. 23 runs on card. Runs are coming. When Saipu Gazam is standing on the crease, it will be nothing chance for the flying fielder. And it will be one bounce and over the row for a boundary for 4. Saipu Gazam is producing runs. Saipu Gazam is making runs. 27. 3 to go. Have that one straight to the field. Rizwan MCC makes it easy and that will be the wicket of Shani in form of run out is gone back. Moideen comes in as a new batter. Shot again, and this is another one. Oh man, who is there in the deep? It is Mammu DQ, a special man in the boundary line. Mammu DQ with a glorious save. He is the best in the outfield. Too sure a six saved. Last ball of the innings, Moicha on strike. Straight back to Ashik Play Store. And that will be the wicket in form of run out. And Saipu Gazam set the standard of the score with his quality six-hitting batting we have seen. And that will be the end of the innings. The innings avasanikkunu. Trying to hit through the onside by Tuti. Just for a single that brings Mutwangola on strikers in. This is exactly the time to showcase his experience by Mutwangola. Waiting in the back foot and trying there by Mutwangola, completely missed on this occasion. Varis with another dot ball. Another one, kept that one in the channel. Really a tough time for the batters. And it will be really using fantastic way. First over done. 3 runs came from the first over. Comes with the over number second, Abdur Rahman, MCC, and it will be just a single. അങ്ങനെ ഈ മത്സരത്തിലൂടെ നിലവിലെ പോയിന്റ് ടേബിളിനെ യാതൊരു മാറ്റവും പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കേണ്ട എന്നുള്ള ഘട്ടത്തിൽ ശക്തമായ ചിലത് തന്റെ ബാറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് വരാനിരിക്കുന്നു എന്ന സൂചന നൽകിക്കൊണ്ട് മുത്തുവാങ്കോളയുടെ ബാറ്റ് ലക്ഷ്യത്തിലേക്ക് മാക്സിമം റിസൾട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിക്കൊണ്ടെത്തുമ്പോൾ രക്ഷപ്പെടുന്നു. അലേർട്ടായി നിൽക്കുക എല്ലാവരും. സായി സുദർശന്റെ ബാറ്റ് വിക്കറ്റിലേക്കാണ് തെറിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ മുത്തുവാങ്കോളയുടേത് സ്ക്വയർ ലെഗ് അമ്പയറുടെ മേലായിരിക്കും. Top class one from a top class bowler. Rahman MCC. Working such a fantastic way. അങ്ങനെ തങ്ങളുടെ അവസാന ലീഗ് മത്സരവുമായി രണ്ട് ടീമുകൾ good sound but go straight to the field. Their last game they were enjoying. Fixer is perfectly set for the next round. That is the end of the over. 13 റൺസുമായി 2 ഓവർ പിന്നിടുന്നു. ഇനി 16 വേണം 18-ൽ. Shamim S14. Good sound once again from Muthuangola. It's straight back and long on fielder comes and collects. Catch is a call or what? Yes, it is. Taken it really well by the fielder. Saipu Gazam in the deep makes no mistake. And that is the first wicket and Nidish Balan comes in. Oh, that's another one. Perfectly changes the length in consecutive time by Shamim. Wide little way outside and Punjini having a good hand. Chance to the non-strikers and it will be nothing. Easily gets a single between the wicket by the batters of Team Najaf. 16-ലേക്ക് എത്തുന്നു. ഇനി 13-ൽ 13. Swing and a miss and gone in between the wicket for a bye. That will be the end of the over. 3 overs gone, 17. ഇനി 2 ഓവറിൽ 12. 12-ൽ 12ന്റെ ടാർഗറ്റ് ഈ മത്സര വിജയത്തിന്. പന്ത്രണ്ടിൽ 12ന്റെ ടാർഗറ്റ്. Beautiful delivery from Punjiri Samir in front of Muthu Angola. India just moves between the wicket by the batters for a single 11 required from 10. Very interesting. Oh, looks to be between the wickets. Top edge and gone back. Safely gets another single by the batters. Oh, Nitish Balan goes out of the ground with that super shot in front of Punjiri. That's land safely. There will be the end of the over. ഇനി മത്സര വിജയത്തിന് 2 റൺസിന്റെ ടാർഗറ്റ് 6 പന്തിൽ. Gets a little bit edge and it will be, the scores are level and they were coming back or what? No. One touch to complete the league stage of MCC Premier League Season 3 by MCC Dubai. That will be the victory run and there it is. That is the end of the game. മത്സരം അവസാനിക്കുന്നു ശക്തമായ ഒരു വിജയത്തോടുകൂടി. ഈ മത്സരം അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ അടുത്ത ഘട്ടം ലീഗ് സ്റ്റേജിൽ നിന്ന് നേരെ നോക്കൌട്ട് റൗണ്ടിലേക്ക്. Meanwhile, the next step